Hi, welcome back. Here we're going to go over what you should have in a proper first aid kit for when you're out in the field. Here, this is an all-purpose general military style first aid kit. Here, this one particularly comes with a little instructional thing, tells you how to use different things, what to watch for, different symptoms you can, how to deal with first aid on the field if you're untrained. I would suggest if you contact your American Red Cross, you can learn how to become trained as a first aid. Here, this is what we call an instant cold compress. All you have to do is pretty much shake it up and it'll turn cold. Then, once you've got it cold, you can use it to help relieve heat exhaustions, heat strokes, or somebody who's just overly hot. Maybe you got a migraine or a headache, or a bump on your head. Surgical gloves. Whether you're field dressing a deer or dealing with a human person, you never want to have skin-to-skin contact. You don't know what they have, you don't know what you might have, especially being out in the field. Maybe you were climbing a tree, you might have got some type of bacteria on your fingers. You don't want to infect them. Top of that, different style gauze. Here we just got an apprehensive band-aid. Go ahead, wrap that around, nothing big, use it for sprains. Regular gauze. You got some nice little doctor's tape. Use that obviously as tape. Then we've got aspirin, cotton, got sugar. If you're diabetic, or depending on what type of diabetes you got, sugar. Alcohol wipes. Gotta have alcohol wipes. Make sure it's sterile wherever you're working. Here we've got povidone iodine and alcohol pads. Another type of something to use for sterilizing. Antibiotic. Neosporin would work just as well if you want to make your own first aid kit. Assorted bandages. Make sure you always got plenty of band-aids. My kit, I've got another piece of smaller tape and hydrogen peroxide. This is great for cuts. You always want to have cuts. I even got a small little bar of soap, almost like what you would find in a hotel. It would be perfect for out in the field washing your hands. I got scissors. I've got, let's get the smaller stuff out of there. Tweezers would be great if you get some type of splinter. You might have a wood tick or some other type of situation where you need to get in there really close up. You can go ahead, get in there, take and pull it out. I'm not going to bring it out, but I'll have the cameraman show you here. I've even got some nice huge absorbent pads. They'll be great. They're bigger bandages. You got a gunshot wound or something like that. Maybe you fell out a tree and you got like a piece of stick up your leg or something, heaven forbid. You go ahead and use that. So basically when it comes back down to it, basically when it comes back down to it, you want to make sure you have a really great first aid kit for out in the field. Whether it's for you or somebody else. You never know what can happen and all the accidents that go on. I personally bought this one at a surplus store rather than making my own. I am a certified firefighter 1, but I figured for the field I want something small, compact, and having been former Army, this is something I'm used to. So I can carry this with me on the field. It's great for at the home or a workplace. It'll work perfectly anywhere. Alright, thank you and tune in again.